Oh. Ha. Oh. Huh? Ah.
Hello, Cuquin. Do you know what's inside the boxes?
Oh.
Animals. Do you want to see them? To know which animal starts with the vowel A, you need to write it down.
Ha. Huh? A.
Try again. Follow the lines.
A. Oh. Huh. A. Ant.
That's right. A is for ant. Don't you know which animal begins with an E?
Ah. E.
I think you wrote too many lines. Why don't you do it again?
Huh. E. Ah. Oh. Ah. Wow. E. Elephant.
Great. E is for elephant. Do you know of any animal that starts with an I?
I. Ah. Oh. Wow. Oh. I. Iguana.
Good, Cuquin. Yes. I is for iguana.
Huh?
Let's see. What animal begins with the vowel O?
Oh. Oh. Wow. Oh. Octopus.
Very good. O is for octopus. Which animal starts with the vowel U?
U.
It just looked more like an O than a U. Why don't you try again?
U. Oh. Wow. U. Unicorn.
Of course, U is for unicorn. Now you know the vowels and the animals.
A is for ant. E is for elephant. I is for iguana. O is for octopus. U is for unicorn. The vowels! Oh!
Hello, Cuquin.
Huh?
Come and play with us.
Huh? 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 Balloons? There, Cuquin. Balloons! No, not purple. Blue! No, not yellow. Blue! Yes, blue! Oh.
Let's all blow the balloons.
Blue balloon!
Green balloon.
Red balloon! Yes! Oh!
Green.
Red balloon!
Green balloon.
Blue balloon!
Hey!
Huh? Red balloon! Woo! Oh? Red balloon! Ha!
Green balloon.
Blue balloon.
Don't worry, Cuquin. You don't have to blow it too much. Just blow it well.
Very good, Cuquin. Blue! Hup! Green balloon! Orange! Purple! Yay! Purple! Orange! Green balloon! Yay! Yahoo!